Hi, I'm Skylar. With the release of iOS 6, Apple replaced Google Maps on iPhone with Apple Maps. But what if you don't want that and want to restore Google Maps to your iPhone? Well, Google actually created a standalone app in order to do just that. So if you go to the App Store, right here, and search for Google Maps, tap Search, there we go. And the first thing you see is Google Maps. So you could install it, and once you do, you'll find this. It's a little bit different than Google Maps used to be, but it's still pretty much the same. It's built on the same architecture, has the same accuracy as Google Maps Online, and many of the same features. So that's how you replace or restore Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.